This is the plaintiff, Lester Phillip. He says he went to the defendant's eye care business to get his eyes checked out and ended up purchasing a pair of prescription glasses from him. When he went to pick them up, he was told the lenses were there, but the frames had been sold to someone else. When he asked why he didn't receive a call stating there was a problem, he was told they don't contact customers. Huh? He's suing for $539, the amount he's out. This is the defendant, Joe Estrella. He says the plaintiff's glasses were ready in May, and he called and told him, come pick them up. In July, he called again. Finally, in August, he shows up and refused to pay the balance due. He got all nasty with him, pounded one of the showcases with his fist, stormed out, and now they're here? Oh, brother. He's accused of not seeing straight.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff bought a pair of glasses from the defendant, and the defendant sold the frames to some other dude. But the defendant says the plaintiff was slow in the draw in picking up the glasses, so tough is the case of the eyes don't have it.
Douglas Lester Phillip?
Yes, ma'am.
You are suing Shades of Nostrand. Shades of Nostrand Optical Family Eye Care. Mr. Estrella, you're the manager and you're authorized to represent here today?
Yes.
So, Mr. Phillip, tell me your tale of woe. You're suing them for $539 that you say they owe you on a pair of glasses that they never delivered to you, I guess is what you're saying. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. I went to Shades of Nostrand on the 7th of May of 2010.
2010?
Yes. I went to purchase the glasses. And,
you had an eye exam?
Yes, I had an eye exam.
You picked out some frames.
Yes.
And they weren't the ones your insurance would pay for, so you have to pay a little extra to get the frames you want.
Yes, ma'am. They told me that I had to pay $175.
Okay, so you put down $40.
I put down $40 on the new frame, but the young lady, which was any one of them, told me.
It's all generic.
Told me that it would be ready in 10 days.
Okay.
My reason for not being there in 10 days, she did call me and tell me the shades were ready. But I told her that I had back surgery. I was going through a series of surgeries. I had 6 surgeries between 2008 and last year. And
wow.
I couldn't be moving at all.
Are you okay now?
Not quite, but I'm recuperating.
Okay.
I told them that if they can deliver the glasses for me, I have the $135. I will give it to the person who delivered. They said they don't deliver.
Right.
So I told them, well, I have no one to take me there. I cannot walk. I was in a wheelchair.
Right.
I couldn't walk.
Who was taking care of you?
Nobody at the time. Well,
somebody had to be taking care of you because somebody did groceries and all that. So who was that?
Well, there's my common-law wife and her 2 daughters.
Oh, you have a common-law wife and 2 daughters living in the house. Okay, and couldn't they go pick up your glasses and bring the $130?
Well, eventually I happened to bounce back from my feelings, my aches and pains, and I went over to Shades of Nostrand, which was this summer.
2 years later?
Yes.
More than 2 years later?
Yes. I told them what I was there for, and the young lady that I accustomed going to, which was none of these people here, and she said,
"Who are you?"
I'm his wife.
Oh, she's just here for the ride.
Let me see your insurance card. So I take out my insurance card and I give it to her. She said, "Well, we don't have your glasses. We sold it." I said, "What about the $40 I paid on it?" She said, "Well, we don't give back money." I said, "Well, give me the $40 back and the glasses that the insurance paid for, and everything going to be fine."
Give you the $40 back and the glasses that the insurance paid for. Why wouldn't why would they do that? That's a bonanza for you of $175. What should happen is you should pay $140, $100 and whatever was left of the $175 upcharge, and then they should give you those glasses, make them up again. What was wrong with doing that?
No, they told me that they can't have those frames again. They said there was nowhere to find.
You say that's just false, right? That the frames were there.
I have the glasses here.
Okay, are the ones there you were just able to obtain them, or they were actually always there?
These are the originals that he purchased.
The original one, but what do you do? When they don't come to pick it up, you dismantle it?
Yes, actually, we put them in a book, which I have login here as a dismantle job.
Very high tech.
We keep the lenses but we have to sell the merchandise because we have to pay
so
money
the
to
actual
company.
frames of 2 years ago probably were sold to
No,
somebody else, but
right.
these are the exact same frames.
Exactly. It happens that the same frame was in my store because it's a popular model.
Right.
It's made by a Fat Farm.
Fat Farm?
Yes. So what I did is I popped it in and I handed it to him. The
Okay.
balance was $135, and I told him that, why it took so long.
Right. No, did you tell him you have to pay me $135?
And then I said, don't give me $135, just give me $130.
Okay.
And he just won his money back.
So is this guy out of luck by waiting 2 years?
I would say he's out of luck if the contract said 10 days.
But does it matter that he had a medical problem that prevented him from picking it up?
I would say no.
Okay. Going inside the courtroom.
Okay, I want to see something. I want you to see something. I don't know whether your prescription's changed in 2 years.
It might have because it's a reading glasses, man.
Yeah, well, that would be on you, not on him. But anyway, so let's take a look, hand them something to read.
So you can see they're a little dusty.
But this is not the frame that I'm paying for. This is the insurance frame.
I have some records here,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's see it.
That's the name of the frame. If you want to compare with, you have information on the frame.
Yeah, that's easy. You can just look it up on the internet
Right
and
at the
see.
bottom of the pink. Let me just grab those. Let me grab this so I have everything.
Fat Farm 502. What does it say down
Yes.
here? Fat Farm 50.
BRZ, I believe, is the color brown.
Can you bring me my iPad so I don't even have to get off the bench? Okay, you know that right here it says Fat Farm 502.
The frame was square. It was a square frame. It wasn't wrong like that. It was square.
Do you know it says 502, which is exactly what
but
this says?
maybe they have a 502 square and a 502 round.
Why would they have the exact same number for a square? What are you trying to say?
No, I'm saying, first of all, it says that that's the frames of the insurance. The insurance doesn't cover the top
No,
frames.
he's wrong.
Right.
So
that's it.
right, but now he's claiming that what he wanted, I don't know how he could remember from 2 years ago, was square and not rectangular. But I don't know that that's even available.
Your Honor,
Yep.
if you could go into Moto Eyewear, that's where I get the frames from.
It's not even on here. That means that you can't get it anymore?
No, I go still get it.
Why don't you find it?
You want me to come up here?
No, you can
Take
just
it
bring
to
it to him.
Your Honor, can I say something?
What do I wear?
Yeah.
Yeah, the glasses that the frame that I did wanted from them, it was something similar to this. It was like square.
Okay,
More square.
here's how it's
This
going to
one,
work.
this one.
I'm going to look at your paperwork. I'm going to see whether this is what you put in your paperwork, and I'm not going to trust your memory of 2 years ago on something that you just dropped. Frankly, they would be well within their rights to say to you, hey, anything left in here in this place over, do you have a disclaimer that says if you leave it here over 30 days, you're done?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is it?
It's
I don't
right
see
here.
it.
That's copy of the receipt, but this is the samples that we give every patient.
Not
the
responsible
receipt.
for eyeglasses or deposits left over 60 days.
But I'm-
They should just say go away. And they're not. They're happy to give you the glasses if you just pay what you're supposed to pay. But under no circumstances do you want me to figure that out, because you don't want to. You just want your 40 bucks back.
Your Honor.
And you want what the insurance paid him back.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
I
no.
was never given a receipt.
He didn't.
Okay.
He couldn't figure out how to use it. To put.
I was never given a
Then
receipt.
what are you going to say against them? How are you going to have any evidence against them?
Well, I know
You
I-
don't have a receipt to show
No.
me. You don't pick up your glasses. 2 years pass. You don't have proof that you ordered something different than what they delivered. What was it you said?
You s-
I didn't
Stop
see
time.
anything.
What
I didn't
you-
see anything.
Oh, what was it you said?
He didn't know how to use it to bring it up.
Well, it's good enough for me that the glasses actually say the number on the side. All right, here's how it works. You have one of two choices. You can walk away, say goodbye, and that's that. Or you can pay $100 and...
Actually, for being nice to him and everything.
Why are you
because-
gonna be nice to him? He's totally miserable with you.
No, it doesn't matter because this is another experience for me. And since being a loyal customer to our store, if you want the glass, I'll give it to you for $100.
Oh, I feel like Monty Hall. So, if you want them, you can have them for $100. Or you can go to what's behind curtain number 1.
Your Honor, I'll
And
go-
curtain number 1 is you just lose the case. So
Okay,
with-
I prefer to use the case than wearing a female glasses. That's a female glasses.
you think these are
That's the
female
wrong
glasses?
glasses. I wanted a square glasses, Your Honor. I'm not going to wear woman glasses in the street. That is a female glasses.
I mean, lots of people have reading glasses that are more narrow because they just look down. They don't want to
I
have
bought
to.
this for $5 and it's not female. It's male.
Actually, can I see those?
Yes. And I show it better than that.
So you like these reading glasses, but not these reading glasses.
This one is light.
No, we're done. We're done. I'm a busy woman. I am a
it's
busy
light.
woman. I have given you way more time than I should have given you. My verdict in this case is for the defendant. Okay?
Thank
The
you.
glasses go back to the defendant. He didn't want them.
Thank you.
Wait. Let me get my glasses. I don't want anything.
Well, here comes the plaintiff. You selected curtain number 1. You lose the case.
Yes, I did.
What's your reaction to this?
Well, I think those people was very unfair, and I think they should be honest enough, being as I am a customer going there on 4 occasions and always using the iPlace. I think they're supposed to be fair to give me what I ordered.
What about their policy that after 60 days...
I never
they
had
don't
no
have to-
policy from them.
Oh,
They
you-
never
you
give
didn't
me a
know that.
receipt.
You didn't know?
No, I didn't know that. We were so as good friends that the lady chose me as a friend. She always say, come back in 10 days.
Why are those
Never a
female
receipt.
glasses? What do you mean? What-
Because they're wrong.
Oh, all right. All right, head right around the corner.
Thank
See
you very
Officer McIntosh on the way out. Okay, so come on in here. Step on in closer here. Is there any way to please this customer?
Well, actually, we're trying to make another sale today, offering for another $100, but I guess he didn't want the glasses at all.
I saw that. What are you going to do with the glasses now?
Well, actually, what I do is, by New York law, I have to keep for the records for at least 5 to 7 years. So, which these glasses will go. The lenses alone will go into the dismantle room.
You want a pair of glasses for $100?
75.
Well, you're all welcome to Shades of Notion in Brooklyn, New York, 505.
Okay, thank
And
you.
we'll give you a discount.
All right, Harvey.
Okay, unless the contract says time is of the essence, like the judge says, the contract has to be performed generally within a reasonable period of time. 2 years is way beyond the limit.